So a linked list is basically a chain of nodes. Each node has two parts, a value and a next pointer that points to the following node. Here's our linked list, 379, and this head pointer right here, that marks the start. Now what we want to do is insert the value 1 at the very beginning of this list. But here's the thing. What if we move the head pointer to the new node first? See the problem? We lost the connection to 3, 7, and 9. Those nodes are completely unreachable now. So the order matters. We have to link the new node first before touching head. Alright, step 1. We create a brand new node with value 1. Step 2. We point new nodes next to the current head. This links it into the existing chain. Step 3. Now it's safe to move head to the new node. Nothing is lost. And we're done. We increment the size. The list is now 1, 3, 7, 9. Now here's the beautiful part. We never had to walk through the list. No matter how long it is, this is always O of 1. Constant time. What about an empty list though? Well, the same code just works. New node's next is null, and head moves to the new node. So remember, 3 simple steps. Create the node, link it to head, then move head. That's it. If this helped you understand linked lists better, hit that subscribe button and drop a like. More data structures coming soon.